guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change your password on CUNYfirst. Now, if you're anything like me and you've been seeing some of your emails lately, this is an email that I ended up receiving saying CUNY login account management, your CUNY login password will expire in 1 day. Your CUNY login password now has a security measure where it resets every semester, and so it kind of puts you on a little bit of a timer. That's why sometimes the Wi-Fi password doesn't work. That's why sometimes your account just stops working and you have to go to the people in person. And so here's how you fix that, right? The easiest way to fix this issue is by simply going over here and searching up CUNY City College CUNYfirst, okay? The reason I say CUNYfirst is that's the application that CUNY uses to actually manage their stuff. So go ahead and click the first link. And then once you're onto this page, go scroll down a little bit and find login into CUNYfirst. Just a heads up as well, this applies to phone, so this should work out the same. After you log into your account, right, putting your credentials and whatever needs to be put into it, that's when you then go into the home page. So this is my home page. This is all my CUNYfirst stuff. The reason you're signing in is just like a prerequisite of this little setup. The second thing you're going to want to do is find your way over to this link in specific. So the actual website here is managelogin.cuny.edu/ capital O, capital I, capital M, capital S, ELF, capital S, ERVICE. So that's OIM self-service. Now this link can be also found on the email that they send you. So this email right here, if you just go ahead and change my CUNY login password, it will then instantly take you over there. But this is the link that you need to go to. And this is basically the self-service for your CUNY login account. As you can see, for new accounts, you can activate your CUNY login here, and then for account assistance you can change any of these if you forgot anything. But what we're going to be clicking is manage your CUNY login account. This then leads you here, giving you 4 options. And for this, obviously we're changing our password as that's what it's requesting, so we're going to go ahead and press this right over here. This will then prompt you to put in your current password, then type in your new password, and then confirm your new password. But let's assume you don't actually know your password. The only thing you can really do here is go back to this menu right over here and then go down to forgot your password. Once you click this, it'll then ask you 2 of your security questions. For my case, I didn't really remember my security questions, so I chose to do an alternative method, which was just sending the email that's attached to my CUNYfirst account a link, and that link will let me reset my password, and we'll be good to go from there, and then we'll be able to set a new password. So hopefully this was helpful, and if it did help you out, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Peace.